Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an instant clean with me, so do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do.
So this is what my house was looking like, and I just wanted to show you some quick befores just so you could see what I was working with. And I wanted to focus on the kitchen and the front room today, as it is an instant clean and I'm not doing the whole house. I always tend to just focus on the worst rooms, and those are always the ones that are downstairs. So I'm going to start off in the kitchen just by tidying it up and decluttering everywhere, so I can go in, give it a wipe down and just make it nice and fresh, ready for the day. Once I'd sorted out all the rubbish and I had everything a little bit more organised, it was time to go in and do the washing up. And I used to always make sure that I did it before bed, and I do still do that most of the time, but recently it has been getting a little bit on top of me and I've just not been in the mood to do it before bed, so I've just left it until the morning. And then you know what it's like, every morning when I come downstairs I am kicking myself for not doing it the night before. So I've really got to try and get back in the routine of doing it before bedtime. Let me know down in the comments if you do it before you go to bed, or if part of your morning routine is to do the washing up. Once I had all that done, I wanted to go in and wipe down the sides just to give the washing up a little bit of time to air dry. So I'm just going to go in and put the few last bits away and then go in with my flash spray. I'm in love with this. It smells of mandarin and it's just beautiful. So I'm just going to wipe down all the sides and make everything nice and fresh, ready for the day. So because this day was an instant clean, I'm not going to be going in doing all of the cupboards and drawers and everything. I'm going to leave that until the next day when I can give the kitchen a bit more of a deep clean. So for now, I'm just going to put the drying up away so I can get the sink nice and decluttered. So I can go in and give that a clean, because even on days where I'm just having a quick tidy, I still do the sink because it's one of my favourite things to clean, and I just think the kitchen looks so much better with a clean, shiny sink.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day.
So I'm now heading through into the living room, and I'm always saying that I've always got washing up to do, and I think it's just because I always forget it in other rooms. So I've just emptied out the front room, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash that up now, and then I can just go back and straighten it up ready for the day, just taking out any rubbish and neatening up all of the cushions and throws, just getting it nice and cozy.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you that instant boost of motivation that you came looking for today. If it has, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel before you leave by clicking the red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here, and I post every Monday to Friday, so there is tons of cleaning motivation and I would love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.